study a new topic, halogen derivative. Halogen
हलवायचं नाही सर.
derivative. We have to start the new topic, this halogen derivative. In this topic, we have to study first that is hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon. Before going to the halogen derivative, we have to know about the hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon म्हणजे काय? Exactly, this is the organic compounds. This is the organic compound in which there is contains only hydrogen. Only hydrogen and carbon as a basic element. As a basic element. Hydrocarbon, and this is the previously completed last the 11th standard, the hydrocarbons. And in this hydrocarbon there is the which contains only carbon and hydrogen as a basic elements only. So hence it is known as the hydrocarbons. And from this hydrocarbon we have to go in details, that is the halogen derivative of alkanes. In halogen derivative of alkanes, we have to define of halogen derivative. So the organic compound in which the replacement of hydrogen atom of hydrocarbon. The replacement of hydrogen atom of hydrocarbon by halogen atom or atoms. Means there is the replacement of, म्हणजेच काय तर एक किंवा अनेक हायड्रोजन ऍटम ज्यावेळी आपण हॅलोजन ऍटमनं रिप्लेस करतो आणि त्यानंतर जे काही कंपाऊंड तयार होतं त्याला आपण काय म्हणायचं, हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. मग आता हे हायड्रोकार्बन्स मीन्स काय तर मे बी ॲलिफॅटिक और अरोमॅटिक कंपाऊंड. सो दिस इज द, ज्यावेळी ॲलिफॅटिक हायड्रोकार्बन असेल त्यावेळी दॅट इज द दिस कार्बन चेन असेल. ज्यावेळी अरोमॅटिक रिंग असेल त्याला अरोमॅटिक हायड्रोकार्बन. सो अगेन वी हॅव टू डिफाइन when the replacement of hydrogen atom or atoms of aromatic hydrocarbon or aliphatic hydrocarbon by halogen atom, then it is known as the halogen derivative of alkanes. After this definition, we have to go in details, that is the classification of halogen derivative. Classification of halogen derivative. Halogen derivatives are classified by two ways. दोन पद्धतीने क्लासिफिकेशन केलं जातं. There is the halogen atom attached to or bonded to hydrocarbon skeleton. Hydrocarbon skeleton. Hydrocarbon skeleton. This is the first kind of the classification. And second, the number of halogen atom attached to number of halogen atoms present in that compounds. In this way, two ways we can classify. This is the halogen derivative. Now, first type of this halogen derivative classification by the skeleton, that is the hydrocarbon. So first there is this classification in this way. या पद्धतीने क्लासिफिकेशन आहे. फर्स्ट दॅट इज द हॅलो अल्केन्स. सेकंड हॅलो अल्किन्स. थर्ड type, that is the haloalkynes, and fourth type by first way there is a haloarenes. There are the four types of on the skeleton of hydrocarbon. There is the attach of this is the halogen. First is the haloalkanes, second haloalkenes, and third haloalkynes, and last one that is the haloarenes. So haloalkenes कशाला म्हणायचं किंवा what is the meaning of haloalkenes? So when this skeleton which containing carbon, this is the alkenes. When the halogen atom are in this way attached, H hydrogen, there is the and this is the X. ज्यावेळी आपल्याला in this way alkenes मध्ये क्लोरीन आयटम किंवा हॅलोजन असेल, ब्रोमीन असेल, हॅलोजन जो आयटम असेल यामध्ये या in this way there is known as the haloalkanes. Then haloalkenes, there is the CH2 double bond CHX. There is the CH2 double bond CHX. So there is a containing carbon double bond and then it is attached to X. So in this way there is the haloalkenes, and in this way there is C triple bond CH then CH2X. This is the in this way. When this contains carbon triple bond, there is the alkynes and there is contain also X. So this is haloalkynes. And when this compound which containing in this way aromatic ring, and there where is containing this is the X, then it is known as the haloarenes. This is known as the haloarenes. So in this way we can classify there is the halogen derivative first way. Now next the second way of classification of halogen derivative of these compounds. So by two ways, second way, we can also classify this is the number of atoms, number of halogen atom, number of halogen atom contains in the organic compounds. Organic compound means that is the halogen derivative. Number of halogen atoms. So there is the how many numbers are present in halogen atoms. Number of halogen atoms are present in the halogen derivative. So from this is the second way we can classify. So there is the again first type, that is mono halogen derivative. Mono halogen derivative. Second way we also classify it the first class mono halogen derivative. आता मोनो हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह म्हणजे काय, तर ज्यावेळी हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह मध्ये इन दिस हॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह देयर इज कंटेन्स ओनली वन halogen atom, only one halogen atom. For example, CH3X. So X is the halogen atom. In this compound contains only one halogen atom, and hence it is known as the monohalogen derivative. This is the X. So monohalogen derivative of alkanes. Second class है dihalogen derivative of alkanes. Sorry, this is the dihalogen derivative. Okay, maybe alkanes or arenes. Dihalogen derivative. So in this dihalogen derivative of alkanes, when halogen derivative in which contains two halogen atom CH2 X CH2X. See this compound, there is two halogen atom are present, so it is known as the dihalogen derivative. म्हणून आपण काय म्हणायचं, dihalogen derivative. So when two halogen atom are present in this compound, then when the compound which containing three halogen atoms, for example C trihalogen derivative, in this compound there is contains three halogen atom, then it is known as the trihalogen derivative. For example CH then X. So this is the trihalogen derivative. Trihalogen derivative. So this is the, in this compound there is the carbon, this is the halogen atom, this is halogen, and this is hydrogen. So this is contains, there is the three halogen atom, hence it is known as a trihalogen. And this is the third class. And fourth class, that is the classification, there is the polyhalogen derivative. Fourth class, that is the polyhalogen derivative. The halogen derivative which contains more than three halogen atom, then it is known as the polyhalogen derivative. For example, CCl4, that is the CX. So So this is the tetra compounds. Then containing the 4 halogen atoms. So it is called as the polyhalogen derivative. That is the compounds which contain more than the 3 halogen derivative alkanes. Now first we have to go details, that is the monohalogen derivative, classification of monohalogen derivative alkane. So for this halogen derivative alkane, first that is the monohalogen derivative. Monohalogen derivative. So mono means that is the only one halogen atom present in this compound. Monohalogen derivative are also known as the alkyl halides. Alkyl halides. Or it is also known as the haloalkanes. काय म्हणायचं, हॅलोअल्केन्स किंवा अल्किल हॅलाइड्स, दॅट इज मोनोहॅलोजन डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ alkenes or arenes. By this method classification, by this way, these classification are on the basis of the halogen atom are attached to which carbon atom. Either there is primary, secondary or tertiary. So on this basis, these are the classification. So first, one by one we have to go in details. That is the first, there is the classification. Primary alkyl halides. Primary alkyl halides. And it is indicated by the degree, first degree. Primary alkyl halides. Fen, so it is also defined in this way, primary alkyl halide. Fen, halogen atom. Fen, halogen atom. Fen, halogen atom is bonded to primary carbon atom. Primary carbon atom, then it is known as the primary alkyl halide. For example, carbon, there is the H hydrogen, H, this H, X, and there is the H. See, this is the halogen atom. Attached to this is carbon atom, and this carbon atom is the primary carbon atom. And when this halogen atom even attached to the primary carbon atom, then it is known as the primary alkyl halide. So primary carbon atom म्हणजे काय? The carbon atom which is attached to another only one carbon atom, there is called as the primary carbon atom. And when halogen atom such a primary carbon atom is attached, then it is called as the primary alkyl halide. For example, this is CH3, CH2, Cl, ethyl chloride. This is the ethyl chloride. It is the example of the primary alkyl halides. Second class of monohalogen derivative is the secondary alkyl halides. Secondary alkyl halides. Secondary alkyl halides. Secondary alkyl halides means same. Secondary alkyl halides means when halogen atom is attached to secondary carbon atom. Then it is known as the secondary alkyl halide, and it is indicated by or represented by the second degree. It is represented by second degree. That is the secondary alkyl halides. So secondary alkyl halide, for example, in this way, carbon CH3, CH, X atom, then Cl. So suppose this carbon atom are attached to this halogen atom, and this carbon atom are attached to another two carbon atom. Such a carbon atom is called as the secondary carbon atom. And when this secondary carbon atom is attached to this halogen atom, then it is known as the secondary alkyl halides. Known as the secondary alkyl halides. So these secondary alkyl halides, for example, CH3, CH, Cl, CH. That is the isopropyl chloride. Isopropyl chloride. So this is the secondary alkyl halides. And class number third, that is the tertiary alkyl halides. Tertiary alkyl halides. That is the third degree. Third alkyl halides. When the halogen atom attached to tertiary carbon atom, when halogen atom is attached to tertiary carbon atom, then it is called as the tertiary alkyl halide. For example, CH3, and there is the B, tertiary butyl bromide. Tertiary butyl bromide. So this carbon atom, this is the tertiary carbon atom. Why this is tertiary carbon atom? Because this carbon atom is attached to another 3 carbon atom, and such carbon atom is called as tertiary. And when this halogen atom is attached to this tertiary carbon atom, then it is known as the tertiary alkyl halide. For example, tertiary butyl bromide. So this is the classification of monohalogen derivative of alkane. Again, I repeat this. That is the monohalogen derivative classification: primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, and tertiary alkyl halide. Primary example: ethyl chloride, methyl chloride. Secondary: isopropyl chloride, and that is the tertiary alkyl halides. Again, we have to go example, that is the tertiary butyl bromide. Okay, we have to stop here this classification up to this point. Remaining part on the next lecture.